Advance Auto Supply. Ultimate weather strip seal solution for any classic car restoration and inner fender replacement. We are expert in windshield rubber seal, made from high-quality EPDM, perfect fit specify car model. The corner joints are made by vulcanized rubber molded and hot splicing, same as original style, as well as wide range of universal profiles. The door rubber weather strip also made for specific car models. EPDM soft sponge and high flexibility vulcanized molded joint, same as original style. We also provide thousands of universal sponge profile section. Window glass run channel made with special attention. Parts need very high precision to fit with window frame and smooth glass moving. All the profiles applied with flocking or PU coating, same as original. Belt line weather strip supply fit specified model and also universal for DIY. T-shaped weather strip usually used for classic cars and U-shape for modern passenger car after year of 2000. Pinch weld weather strip for door trimming. Multi-purpose using help improving sound protection and water leak protection as well. Plastic inner fender liner made from HDPE sheet and vacuum to shape. HDPE multi-layer sheet is specially designed to balance between flexibility and strength for easy installing. Over 10,000 items, 500,000 units in our inventory is controlled by barcode system to avoid the human error mistake. Several option of packing prepare for worldwide shipment. Either sea freight or air freight, we can support all solutions that suits the customer's needs. Customers from over 25 countries, importers, wholesalers and retailers will receive great professional services. All the worldwide shipment are prepared with highest care. Frustrate finding the rubber seal for your car's restoration. Looking for weather strip expert. Looking for reproducing rubber parts? Let us do the job for you. Ultimate weather strip seals and inner fender liner solutions. Advance Auto Supply.